Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel for another video on the Altezza Travel Kilimanjaro series. Today we're going to be covering one of the most popular topics among climbers, namely the use of bottled oxygen on our mountain expeditions on Mount Kilimanjaro. So let's dive right in and explore this essential safety measure. Bottled oxygen plays a crucial role during our climbs for two important reasons. Firstly, it eases the acclimatization process. As you ascend the mountain, the air pressure decreases and the amount of oxygen available also reduces. This can lead to altitude sickness if your body doesn't adapt quickly enough. When your oxygen saturation drops below a safe level, bottled oxygen can help stabilize it, allowing your body to acclimatize properly. The use of bottled oxygen significantly increases the chances for a successful, stress-free, and safe summit. By simply ensuring that your body receives the necessary oxygen supply throughout your ascent, you're a lot less likely to experience altitude sickness, which in turn will grant you a much more enjoyable and rewarding climb. Secondly, it is used during rare cases of evacuation to prevent the development of high-altitude cerebral and pulmonary edemas. These conditions are the most severe forms of acute mountain sickness and can be life-threatening when they aren't managed correctly. At Altezza Travel, we carry out regular health checks twice a day to diagnose the first symptoms of AMS, making the occurrence of such situations highly unlikely on your trek. So, not only does bottled oxygen help to ensure your safety, but it also contributes to a more successful and overall enjoyable Kilimanjaro experience. Every Kilimanjaro expedition with Altezza Travel is well equipped with numerous bottled oxygen tanks. Although it's very unlikely that we'll be needing all of the tanks, we always carry an ample supply for emergencies. As such, our supply of bottled oxygen is practically unlimited, and in the rare event that an expedition supply starts to get low, a special crew will deliver extra oxygen from our climbing base. Alternatively, other Altezza crews on the mountain can quickly share their extra supplies as well. Our highly skilled guides have of course undergone wilderness first responder training, which means that they know exactly how and when to use the bottled oxygen. They are well versed in using it with maximum effectiveness to ensure your safety on the mountain. At Altezza Travel, we take pride in managing our own bottled oxygen supplies, rather than relying on third-party providers. We have the largest stock of own bottled oxygen in all of Tanzania, ensuring that we never run short. There are over 400 oxygen systems at our base, which is more than all of the other tour operators combined, so you can rest assured we've got the oxygen supplies covered. Additionally, we have a designated member on the Altezza team who is solely responsible for managing our oxygen supplies. This individual carefully checks each oxygen tank and its valves, refills them before each trip, and ensures that every guide has sufficient supplies for the entire expedition. So just to wrap up this video, bottled oxygen is a vital component of our safety procedures on Kilimanjaro. We allocate considerable care and attention to ensuring its proper use and management. If you'd like to learn more about our oxygen cylinders and the other high mountain safety precautions that we take here at Altezza Travel, please visit our website or contact our team directly. We're here to help make your climbing experience both safe and unforgettable. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more informative videos about Kilimanjaro. I'll see you in the next one.